Welcome, in front of me is a Philips Xenium V787, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card in the device. So to get started, you want to open up settings. Now, the easiest way is just to pull down the notification panel and you will have it next to the account. So tap on the gear icon, and from the settings, scroll down to storage, which is right here. And again, scroll down and you'll find your SD card right here. And a little bit below it, you will find the option Erase SD card. So tap on it. You will get a message, you will lose all your data on the card. So if you have something that you want to keep there, you might want to back it up to some other location. And then you can proceed by tapping on Erase SD card and then erase everything. Now the process is fairly quick and straightforward. So it's going to erase it, and soon after we should see that it's done. You can see basically finished, and the card is ready to be used immediately afterwards. So that is how you reset it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.